Welcome to Car Talk. I'm Brandon Kelly. This morning we're just talking real quick about fanning versus straight pull for window cleaning. So fanning is when you're going back and forth. It's one smooth motion. Pretty much you don't take the blade of your squeegee off the glass the entire time. Straight pull is when you're going from top to bottom of the pane or left to right of the pane. Then you take the squeegee off, dry it, and then start over again. You repeat that until the pane is complete. Both methods have their positives and some drawbacks. I have found personally that if you can learn how to do the fanning method, you'll get a lot quicker on the pane. But the straight pull method comes in handy when you have some kind of like difficult, hard to reach areas. Sometimes it's more accurate to do a straight pull instead of a fanning method. So my recommendation starting out is to start with the straight pull. It's the easiest of the two, and the general method for that is you're gonna wet your window down, take your rag and just dry the very top of the frame, and then you're gonna make sure that your squeegee rubber is dry. Start at the top of the frame along the edge and just pull straight down all the way to the bottom. When you get to the bottom, you're gonna dab off all the extra liquid that's on your squeegee rubber, and then go back up to the top, overlap the clean area and the areas with solution on it by about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and you make the blade angled down towards the clean side. So if you think about it, the water is going up into the blade and it's gonna go to the highest point of the blade. So you want that highest point of the blade to be the dirty side or the other frame. And then when you get to the bottom of that, put your squeegee away and then dry all of your edges just like normal. So the fanning method, on the other hand, normally you start in a corner and then you go up to the next corner at about a 45-degree angle at that corner, and then you switch to the opposite corner, 45 degrees, last corner, and then you kind of come back and forth with kind of a rainbow or fan motion to get all the solution off the center of the window. Hopefully I can take a video of these to give you an example. Maybe I'll put it over this video, but the point of this is that if you're just starting out with window cleaning, it's a good idea to start with the most simple movement, which is the straight pull, and then learn the fan method because it will help you speed up a little bit. Hope that's helpful. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.